Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm going to show you how to take apart a exhaust on a 1975 CB550. I kind of already started, but I'm going to show you where I left off, and here we go. Okay, so there is 4 bolts. You can see the 3 there. 1, 2, 3. And then there's a 4th one right there. First, you want to unscrew these guys. I believe it was like a 12 or 10. I took these out already, put them in a Ziploc so I won't lose it. So take those out first, and then you want to take these off. Make things easier, there's a grommet connecting the 2 exhausts. Just loosen that and pop one out. When you run single-sided exhaust, you're going to want to remove the center kickstand. That's only the downside of it. But that's fine. That's what a scissor jack is for. So. Alright. Next in business is the new Delcovic exhaust. But I'm going to get this thing torn down and get the frame ready. So that's going to be for a future video. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.